Hi guys, welcome to Dine. Today I'm gonna show you how to prepare prawn pulao. So let's begin. At first, take 300 grams prawn in a bowl of any size as you like. Add half teaspoon turmeric powder and half teaspoon salt. Mix them. Then fry the prawns on low flame until it totally changes color. Meanwhile, soak 1 kg rice. After that, add 3 tablespoons oil in a hot pan. Then add 4 to 5 chopped garlic cloves and 2 chopped onions. After a while, add some cardamom, cinnamon and cloves. Now take a bowl and add 1 teaspoon turmeric powder, 2 teaspoon red chili powder, 2 teaspoon coriander powder, 2 teaspoon cumin powder, 2 teaspoon ginger paste. Then add a little bit water and mix it. Now add this paste to the pan. Then add 2 to 3 chopped green chilies, 2 chopped tomatoes, add 2 tablespoons curd and mix them well. Now add 2 teaspoons salt and 2 teaspoons sugar. After that, add the fried prawns. Stir this and cover it for 2 to 3 minutes. Open the cover and add 1 cup milk. Mix well. And add the soaked rice. Stir it and add 4 teaspoons ghee. Then add 2 teaspoons salt. Mix properly and add 2 liters water. As I always say, the amount of water should be double of that of rice. After that, cover it for 10 minutes. Then open the cover and add 1 teaspoon garam masala powder, some coriander leaves and 2 teaspoons ghee.
If you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Share this with your friends and family. Definitely try this delicious recipe and give your feedbacks in the comment section below. See you in our next video. Till then, bye.